Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on managing delegations in OBS ERP. As a manager, you can appoint delegates to specific modules, enabling them to handle and approve requests sent to them during your absence or any other situation. To access the delegation menu, open the control panel and navigate to the Delegations section. Select the module or functionality where you'd like to delegate rights. Click the plus button, choose a delegate, and then decide if the delegation is for visibility only or if it also includes approvals and modifications by ticking the corresponding checkboxes. Once you've made your selection, press Add to include the delegate. If you need to remove a delegate, simply click the Delete button and they'll be removed. And there you have it. You now understand how to manage delegations in OBS ERP. Thanks for watching.